Your country's in revolt. Do you know about this? Show this video.
Est-ce que vous êtes d'accord, vous autres, avec la vaccination obligatoire? Ah oui, hein?
Those who refuse will have to pay a new health contribution.
Ils sont extrémistes, qui ne croient pas dans la science, qui sont souvent misogynes, souvent racistes aussi.
We have one of the biggest revolutions happening. Right now there's 50,000 truckers and about 1.4 million people headed to the Parliament in Ottawa, and they're going to stay there until Trudeau resigns or they give us back all of our freedoms and rights.
Every overpass is packed with Canadians. Look at us right here. Look at this. God bless Canada. God bless every single one of you truckers and every single one of you Canadians that are supporting this movement. This is not a fringe. We will not be divided. We stand together. We will win this country back.
I was at a point where I was giving up on Canada, and you guys have given me hope. You guys are giving us strength. You guys are keeping us going. And wow, we are one big team, one big national team. The entire world is watching us. I firmly believe this is our last stand, and we are not coming home until you are all free.
Your hawking will continue until freedom is through. What a moment in Canadian history! I love you, Canada!
The small fringe minority holding unacceptable views that they're expressing do not represent the views of Canadians.
In the last 6 years, Trudeau has changed the face of this country. So that's what brought me here.
We're all Canadians, we're all truckers.
CBC show this.